Man, there y'all go. I knew y'all gonna be here. Check this out here. Man, I got a recipe for y'all today. Man, we're gonna do some stuffed chicken thighs. Now, I'm doing chicken thighs kind of like dog meat. Now, you can either use breast, chicken breast if you want to, because you want like white meat, use chicken breast. But I'm doing chicken thighs. But all principles work the same. Come in, let me show you how you do them now. Check this out here. Now, I got my chicken thighs here. And when we get them stuffed, we're gonna wrap them in bacon. Now, what we're gonna wrap them with, we're gonna have the little onions diced up, we're gonna dice some jalapenos up, and we're gonna dice some bell pepper up. And we're also gonna mix cream cheese with sour cream. Now, we're gonna put all that in and we're gonna blend it and we're gonna stuff them in there. Now, the season we're gonna use is hot sauce, Tony's, and some black pepper. Now, after we get them cooked, we're gonna get them cooked and we're gonna dip them in barbecue sauce and put them back in the oven for a little bit longer. We're gonna serve this here with some sweet peas. Now, the sweet peas is gonna be mixed with mushrooms and butter. And we're gonna also put some bacon pieces in there. And I'm gonna show you how to do them now. Oh man. Boy, I'm telling you, this meal here, I'm gonna tell you. So you can tell the rest of the people to go back to Kentucky, who you from Kentucky, tell them to go back, because I did this in Kentucky and that guy like, man, you cook this good. I said, I didn't know. I said, man, you need to go to church. You want to pray about it? Let's pray about it. Ask somebody. Okay, y'all, this is going to be a quick tip right here. I got my sour cream and my cream cheese off in here. I mixed that there with my onions. I put my onions in there. Okay. You want to get your jalapenos and your bell peppers in there too. Let's get everything out of there. And get everything out of there. Now, you're going to mix that up there. Now, you also want to put you some hot sauce in there. Now, how hot you want it depends how hot you want it. And I'm going to leave it about right there. And then you just take that there and you blend it up. This is what you're going to stuff your chicken with. And you probably saying, well, why you didn't get them sauteed first? No, I like my vegetables to cook in the meat because they're gonna be inside the meat, and all the juice is gonna run through. They're gonna be tender after the meat cooked. So just keep on checking back, Cooking General. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now come in, let me show you this here. Now, see, this is how your mix is gonna look. You wanna keep some of this here. And see, it's got the jalapenos, it's got the bell pepper, onions mixed in with the hot sauce, and that's how you want it. Now, I got these here stuffed and wrapped with this here, off in there, with the bacon around them. Got them seasoned down with the black pepper and my Tony's ketchup. Now, check it out. I got my mushrooms over here, sauteing in butter. I'm gonna get them on low, because right now, I'm finna put my bacon in the oven, because I want some bacon off in there. And I got my oven on 350, and we're gonna put these in there. There. And then, when I get them sauteed down, I'm gonna add these sweet peas, and it's gonna be on. Cooking General, check back with me. Ask somebody. Okay, come here, let me show y'all. We about through, look here. Now, I got me a few of them coated right now. Now, you're gonna put them in the oven, and you see over here, I got them bacon wrapped. So, you wanna mix you some barbecue sauce off in there, but you wanna add just a little pinch of water in there to kind of thin it a little bit. You don't want them too thick. And you wanna just tuck them in there, and you wanna coat them real good. Put them in your pan. Take them, coat them, like that. Roll them in that barbecue sauce, and put them in the pan. Now, we're gonna let them go for another 15, 20 minutes. I got the stove now on 400, and let them go. Now, remember I told you to keep the extra sauce. Now I got the extra sauce, I'm gonna put on top of them when they get done. Now here, I got my peas, my mushrooms, my bacon, and I add just a little more stick of butter so it won't dry out. I'm putting this on and letting it go. I'm gonna put that on about a little bit less than medium. Boy, this gonna be good now. Cooking General, keep checking back with me. I'm showing you how to cook. I'm doing step by step. Hey, I ain't even acting crazy. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Man, we finally finished. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, come here, let me show you how this stuff works here. Now, check this out here. Look at that. Look. I cut them barbecue sauce, look, they golden brown and pretty. Now, you can also put these on the barbecue pit and barbecue them too. Now, I told you to save a little of that sauce. I got it melted down. I got my peas around. done, and I got the bacon and mushrooms in there. I ate just one little small stick of butter to try to help them tend them up. Now check it out over here. And look at that. Those peas came out whole. They not mushy. And look at that. They got the bacon and the mushrooms in it. And then I made me a bed of rice. And look at here. You can cut that chicken breast. Look at that. That bacon on there. That sauce with that rice and barbecue sauce. Man. Y'all want a gourmet meal? You want me to do this for you? I did it. I did it. Cooking dinner, man. I'm been doing this for a long time. So, whether you see me today or tomorrow, I'm going to do it. Cook in general. Let's pray about it.